Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Gloria Ann, and today I'm doing a 2-year review on this wig from HerGivenHair. This is the full lace in the coily texture, and it is all dry and styled. It's basically a wash and go, and it still looks amazing. Like, I got this hair in 2017, and I believe the last time I wore it was Beyonce's on the Run tour. No, actually, it was actually a couple months ago with Natu Curly's event.
Gloria's here, one of our speakers.
And this is my go-to wig when I don't feel like doing my hair and I have somewhere to go. Look at that lace. Like, can you even tell where it begins? No, you can't, and it's 2 years old. So you really get what you pay for. The curl pattern is amazing. As you can see, it's not matte, and I literally do not take care of it like I should. I literally just, after I wear it, I throw it somewhere, and then when I want to wear it again, I just wash it, condition it, and style it, like what I did today. The curl pattern is still beautiful. It's still full. Now, I did lose some hair over time from detangling, but it's not that much. That's why the parts doesn't look as clean as it did when I first got it. But you can't tell, like, I can still part it however I want. And if I want to bleach the knots, I can. I did not bleach the knots. This is how it came. And it's gorgeous. Like, so I'm gonna show you what the hair looked like before I washed and styled it. You know, when I just throw it somewhere and then I'm ready to wear it again. So you're gonna see how it looks up until this point right here. So here we go. This is what the hair looks like when it's just laying around. This is what the inside looks like. As you can see, it still has the gel on it, and it's a little bit matte. It's stiff, and the coils are kind of just stuck together. First, I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo it. I'm detangling it with my fingers. Condition. And I'm also working this into the hair and detangling with my fingers as I go. And as you can see, it looks brand new. The coils are popping, they're separated, and I didn't even have to use a comb or a detangler. The kinks just melted away. Now I have the unit on my head, and it's about 90% dry. This is what the lace looks like. It looks very natural. I'm going in with my Cream of Nature's Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, and I'm going to use this to define my coils. And as you can see, I'm going through the hair to make sure it gets on every strand. The hair still looks amazing after 2 years. These are the parts, and like I said before, the parts aren't as defined as they used to be, but they're still there, and I can part it however I want. And this is what the hair looks like when it's all dry. It still has movement, the coils are still popping, I have no mats, and it has so much volume. Can't nobody tell me HerGivenHair doesn't have good hair. And if you're looking for some natural hair extensions, I would definitely recommend HerGivenHair. I've been using them for almost 4 years, and they've never failed me. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!